Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a spreadsheet in Excel. Let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook with multiple sheets. You'll see the sheets at the bottom. To rename a sheet, just click on the one you want to rename. Then right-click and select Rename from the menu that pops up. Excel will now let you edit the sheet's name. Let's change it to something like Forms. After typing the new name, press Enter or click anywhere outside the renaming box. The sheet is now renamed to Forms. That's it. Easy, right? If you want to learn more tricks like hiding or unhiding sheets, check out our other Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.